Okay, I can already smell the scent, the aroma of our noodles. There you go. Let me just turn it off. There. Now it's steaming and boiling. There you go, guys. I will check if I need a little bit more seasoning like salt and pepper or soy sauce. Ooh. So good. Oh, spicy. I don't need anything. I don't need soy sauce or salt. It's perfect. Very nice. Thank you. That's very good. Again, I said very nice. Thank you. And thank you again. Guys, so yummy. See, I have the fish fillet a little bit and chicken and oppo. Thank you. Bye-bye.